am Paramchani, currently pursuing computer science at Charotar University, Changa, Anand. So I'm back with another video. In this video, I'll show you my PLSQL project and I'll explain the code line by line. I'll show all the implementations. I'll share the report. I'll share the GitHub link of the project, so you can also refer there. You can see the screenshots over there. You can follow me on GitHub at the rate Paramjani12. You can connect with me on LinkedIn at the rate Paramjani12. So talking about the project, it's a transaction management system. I'll show you the database schema over here. There are three database. So there are three tables in the database schema. One is the account, another one is account city, and third is the account branch. Account has 4 attributes, account city has 3 attributes, and account branch has 3 attributes. This is the brief introduction. We'll directly jump on to the code. We are using Oracle Database Express Edition. There's Oracle 10G Express Edition. I have already made a video on how to install Oracle Database Express Edition and also how to create a user in it and all that. I'll link it in the description. First you can go there, install it, and then continue with this video. So one drawback of Oracle Database Express Edition is you need to run these lines line by line. So you can only run a single line. The SQL queries will be fired singly. So all these lines you need to singly run. While in Oracle Live SQL you can run multiple lines at a time. One drawback of Oracle Live SQL is that you cannot, you always need to create table. You need to start from creating table. While in Oracle Database 10G, the tables will be already created. It will be present in the laptop itself, in your system only. So you don't need to create the table. So you don't need to begin from the start. In live SQL, you need to begin from the start. You need to create table, insert values in them, and all that. So both have their pros and cons. Whatever you find interesting, you can use it. I like Oracle 10G more, so I am using it. So it's okay. I can bear with running all these lines singly. So I've already run all these lines. So we'll continue with select star from account. So I'll explain the syntax of the lines. Create table account. So this will create a table named account, and the variables will be account number, account name, account balance, account date of birth, and the data types will be varchar. Varchar is similar to like string. You can use a combination of number and character in that varchar. So it is a type of string that we use in C++. It's similar to that. Number, that are only integer type, and date. Date is also type of. It's also a data type. So this way we can. This is the basic syntax of create table. So using this, you can create different types of table. You can give the table name over here. Similarly, you can change the variable names and whatever you want. The size of the variable can be changed from here. So next is the next important syntax: insert into query. So insert into query is it will insert this line into the table. That is, insert into the name of the table values, and then in semicolon we'll pass the variable values. So first variable is account number, so we are giving account number. Then it is account name, then we are giving Rajesh account name. Then it's account balance, then we are giving balance. Then it's date of birth, then we are giving date of birth. This should be in order. If the order changes, it will generate error. So please try to please make sure that it's in order. If it doesn't generate error, for example, if both are numbers, both the data types are number, it will obviously not generate error, but it will create a problem. So it will interchange both the values, so you will say it's a problem. So if it doesn't give error, then also it's wrong. So please don't do that. Maintain the order. That is what is the thumb rule. I've already run all these lines singly, so we'll begin from here. Select start from account. Here are the 10 tuples that you can see. I have already inserted. So it is not in the order because I have not fired the insert into table name values query in proper order. So that is why they are not in the order. If you will fire them in order, then it will show in perfect order. There is no issue. We will see the account branch also. So select star is used for seeing the database. This is the account branch, and this is the third table, that is account city. So all this we can see all the data that we have inputted, we can see over here. Now we'll go to the PLSQL part. So PLSQL part has three major, it has three major parts, that is declare, three major blocks, that is declare block, begin block, and end block. End block has no lines for execution, it's just end and semicolon. Declare part is also optional. If you have any variable to be declared in the PL, that is to be used in PLSQL part, then you can declare it over here, otherwise it's optional. I have already declared 5 variables in the declare part, which I am going to use. I'll explain you. Here in the first line I have used dot percentage type operator. So dot percentage type operator fetches the data type of the so let me explain in another way. Here I am giving x account number space account dot account number percentage type. So here whatever data type of account number is there in account table will be assigned to x account number. I'll repeat, whatever data type of account number is there in account table, the same data type will be assigned to X account number. Similarly, whatever data type is there of account balance in account table will be assigned to X account balance. So this is very important operator, dot percentage type. Even the size of the variable will be same. So all the things related, all the everything will be copied. So that is very important operator, dot percentage type operator. Then there are three more variables, that is OPT. OPT is option, deposit, and withdrawal. I'll explain whenever they will come in the code. So X account number, this line will ask to the user to enter the account number. We cannot give spacebar. That's why I've used underscore whenever there is a requirement of space. In the print statement, we cannot give spacebar, otherwise it will generate error. So I have given underscore. So please make sure that you don't give spacebar. Next is OPT, that is option. So first option is for deposit, second option is for withdrawal, and third option is for balance. So that will also be shown, and user will be asked for the option. Then these three lines are very important. Yes. Select account balance into X account balance. So whatever account number will be specified by the user, his account balance will be copied into X account balance. From where? From account table, where already I have spoken that where account number equal to X account number. So this is very important. So the balance will be copied into X account balance of that particular entered account number. Okay, now we'll come to the if part. So I'll also explain you if else, and nested if else is also been used in the program, so that also I'll be explaining. So don't worry, those two concepts will be also explained very clearly. So if option equal to 1, then if option equal to 1, then we need to do the deposit. So we are asking for the amount to be deposited. So enter deposit amount. It will be copied in the deposit variable. Now these three lines will update the account table. We need to update two things. One, we need to show the user that the update has been done using a print statement that is being done over here. And second, we need to update the database. So in database also there should be update. It shouldn't be that only the user will be shown that it is updated and all those things. It should be updated in the database too. Therefore we are writing this, that update account set account balance equal to account balance plus deposit. It's deposit, so it will be added, where account number equal to X account number. This will make changes in the database, and this will be shown to the user. This is for the user purpose. This will not do any changes in the database. This is only for the user to see that it has been run successfully. That's all. So this is for the user, that X account balance equal to X account balance plus deposit. So balance will increase, and we are doing database. So this dbms underscore output dot put underscore line is similar to cout in C++ and printf in C. So it's a print line. So this is a print line. It will show deposit has been credited in your account, and similar is this same print line. One important thing used over here is this concatenation operator, that is the pipeline operator. Pipeline operator connects these two lines. It's similar to the triangular braces we used in C++ for connecting two things. It's similar to that. This is pipeline operator or operator. So you can see a single line that rupees X has been credited in your account. So a single line will be shown. That's why we have used this pipeline operator. Now we are going to the else if part. That else if option equal to 2. Option 2 is for withdrawal. So we'll ask for enter the withdrawal amount. It will be the user will enter the amount to be withdrawn. Here we are using nested if else. Why? What is the need of nested if else? The need is, if the withdrawal amount is greater than balance, then it's not possible, it's not viable. A person cannot withdraw more amount than the balance present in his account. That is why we need to use the nested if else. So if the withdrawal amount is less than account balance, then and only then update the account set account balance, that is decrease the account balance, because it's withdrawal, it will obviously be decreased. And also for the user purpose, we'll write this line so that user can also understand that the withdrawal has been done successfully. This is for the database purpose. I have already explained you. This is the else part, that if the withdrawal amount is greater than the account balance, then the flow will come to this else part. Then we'll give your withdrawal amount is greater than balance, your transaction has failed, and your final balance is this. This is the end if statement. End if statement is very important in DBMS. We need to give end if statement, and this end if marks end of this if and else statement. This end if. Then the flow will come to the else part. Else. So in the else part is simple. That's the third number. If the user enters 3, then it is for check balance. So for balance check, it's simply print your balance. And this end if marks end of this entire if, else if and else part. This end marks end of PLSQL query. Now I'll run this and explain you and show you the output. We need to select the entire block of SQL and hit run. Okay. So now we'll see, let us take roll number 7. Let us take roll number 5 and see his balance. So I've taken 3 to check the balance. We don't need to enter the deposit or withdrawal amount, as we just want to see the balance, and hit submit. Your balance is 37,900 rupees. We can see our balance over here. See, we had given roll number 5, 19D005, and his balance is 37,900. 37,900. Suppose we need to increase this balance. We want to deposit 100 rupees to this. So I'll show you that too. Begin. Need to start from declare. Declare, begin, and run. So this is roll number 5. I want to deposit 100 rupees in his account. So deposit 100. We can leave the withdraw amount as it is because we don't want to withdraw. Submit. So rupees 100 has been credited in your account. Your final balance is 38,000. It was 37,900. We have deposited 100 rupees right now and it has become 38,000. So you understand why we were writing all these lines over here. This is for the user purpose. This 3 lines is for the user to see this. You can see over here, and this update account set, this is for the database purpose. That also I'll explain. Wait. So this is this we have seen. Now we'll see else if part. That is 2 number. That is withdraw. Right. Now let us withdraw from bank account. Let us take 6. Withdraw amount is 1,000 rupees. Okay, submit. Rupees 1,000 has been debited from your account. Your balance is 34,060 rupees. Let's check. Yeah, this is 5 number. Alright, this is 6 number. Her balance was 35,060 rupees, and after debiting 1,000 rupees, it is 34,060. So you see both the parts, that is else if, all that are running correctly and perfectly. Suppose now we will see this part, the transaction failure part, that our withdrawal amount is greater than the balance present. Let us see that. I'll run it again. Declare. Run. So now we'll check it for roll number 9. Her balance is 65,070 rupees. We will withdraw 70,000 rupees and let us see what happens. Okay. Roll number 9. Withdraw 70,000. And submit. See, your withdrawal amount is greater than balance. Your transaction failed and your final balance is 65,070 rupees. So you see all the blocks are running perfectly. You can see if part, else if part, nested if else that we have used is also currently checked. That is also working perfectly. So all the blocks, else if part, all these things are working perfectly. So, yeah, one more thing that I wanted to show, that this will also be reflected in the database too. We have used this line for this getting reflected in the database, update account set. So now let us do check that too. Select star from account and run. If you remember, we had changed balance of roll number 5. Roll number 5 we had given his account his account balance was 39,000. Let me see. Rule number 5. Yes, his account balance was 37,900. We had deposited 100 rupees, and you can see it has been changed. 38,000. 100 rupees has been increased. Then we had withdrawn 1,000 rupees from roll number 6. So that also we can see. Roll number 6 has balance 35,060, and now after the withdrawal it is 34,060. Then we had withdrawn more money than the already present that we had done for roll number 9. So her transaction had failed, so it is also perfect. So you can see all the lines are perfect and the code is perfect. So you can also try it out, guys. You can find it. This is transaction management system. You can click over here and you can find the code over here in transaction underscore here. So please follow me over here. I post a lot of videos on YouTube also. You can subscribe me and follow me on GitHub for the project ideas and project code. I am also posting PPTs and reports for your referral purpose. So thank you, and please support me by subscribing here and following on GitHub. Thank you very much.